Let's learn all about chalk mineral paint from Dixie Belle Paint Company. Before beginning any paint project, it's recommended to clean with white lightning and rinse with water. This will remove any oils or particles off of your wood before you begin. Chalk mineral paint is designed for a wide range of surfaces: wood, metal, bricks, plastic, or stone, even concrete. Chalk mineral paint contains 0 VOCs. It's safe to use indoors and around your pets. This paint will ensure that you get a beautiful, professional finish. You can choose any style of brush for applying your chalk mineral paint. For this project, I will be using a smooth synthetic brush. Applying your chalk mineral paint with a smooth synthetic brush will help eliminate any brush strokes. Chalk mineral paint blends beautifully. You can combine as many colors as you desire. Since this paint is water-based, it's very easy to blend together. In this video, I'm using collard greens and dried sage blended together with my Best Dang brush. When your chalk mineral paint has dried thoroughly, you can choose to seal your paint with any one of Dixie Belle's top coats, clear coat or wax, or you can also choose to leave it as it is. No sealing is necessary with Dixie Belle's chalk mineral paint.